Hi Avery, this is Grams and Papa. We're going to show you a little bit more of some of our Christmas decorations. Here's some Santas that are on the wall, and look at this funny looking guy up here in his funny looking hat. And then we come down around here and there are a couple more. There's one sitting right there. And there's another one right there. And over here is a collection of dancing dogs and chickens and other things that Grandma's been collecting for several years. And she's going to show you how they work. So here we go.
Let's start over here. Do the whole thing.
Okay, and here
This
comes,
is a new one.
this is a brand new one. She just got this year. Turn him around a little bit.
He kind of goes that way. I don't know how to turn him on. Wait a minute. Yeah, turn him on. His rear end in the picture. Then,
All right. And the next one.
Let's see if you can croon as good as me. Come on! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, unless you're getting doggy presents, now that's fun! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Isn't that a fun one? Oh, look at this funny looking guy.
I feel good. I do what I want to. I feel good. I do what I want.
I think that's a reindeer.
it's a moose.
A moose.
So good. How about you? Ow! When I hold you in my
I think his sunglasses are coming off.
I don't remember what this one was. Where's his turn on?
Hard to find the on and off buttons.
We have to set him aside. I can't. He's not working. Did you put batteries in him?
Yep.
We'll just have to shelve him. He's not working.
Was the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their bed, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief, and I in my cap, had just settled our brains for a long winter's nap, when out on the lawn there arose such
He goes through the entire story.
Oh, wait till you see this one.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell ring, and jingle bell ring. Bellin' and bellin' and jingle bells swell. In the frosty air. Jingle bell time is the swell time. Go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Jingle bell.
this one.
Can you see his tail wagging? There he goes.
And now the newest one. Here's its switch.
Roosting in the hen house all year long, waiting for December just to sing this song. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Gonna be a Merry Christmas 'cause Santa's bringing treats tonight.
And that's it.
And that's it. There's a couple others there that don't sing or dance,
No.
but we thought you'd like to see it. And we'll just show you the tree again. And look at this little doggy here that's hiding underneath the horse. That almost looks like Kira, doesn't it?
Diva.
Or Diva. Really looks more like Diva. And guess what we're supposed to get tonight? Snow. So if we get some, we'll take some pictures of it and let you know. It's supposed to be a couple of inches, but I don't know how much is actually going to stick on the ground. And here's some of the presents that are already under the tree. There's this great big one here is for Graham, so I don't know what it is. But we'll find out soon.
Heavy as lead.
Here's another one I don't think you've seen before. Okay, enjoy it. Bye-bye.